It was dinner time, and Gattu and Chinky were still sitting and watching TV.
Oh, 4 kids, turn off the TV and come eat your food. Just a minute, Mummy, coming. Yes, this is the last episode.
Mummy gets angry and comes and turns off the TV.
Oh no, what did you do, Mummy? I have been telling you two for the past 2 hours to turn off the TV. And also, you two have to finish your project work. You have been watching TV instead of working on it. But Mummy, you were going to help us for the project. Only then it'll be done. No, I can't do it right now. I have a lot of work in the kitchen. Ask Papa. He is going to help you both. Come on, first go and sit at the dinner table. Okay, Mummy.
Mummy goes to the kitchen in anger.
Chinky, Mummy seems very angry today, isn't it? You are right, Gattu. There must be something wrong. Anyways, let's not make Mummy any more angry. Let's quietly go and sit at the dinner table. Come quickly.
Everyone sits at the dinner table. And Mummy serves food to everyone. Oh wow! The dinner is really good. Just a little too much salt.
If there is too much salt, then you can cook it yourself. You are always finding fault in my cooking.
Hey, I didn't say anything like that. Why are you getting angry?
I am not getting angry. And you remember, right? You have to help Gattu and Chinky with their project. Yes, Papa, we have to finish that project before Monday. Yes, that means we only have tomorrow, Sunday. And this is very important. More important than your office work.
Hey kids, what is this? And how can I help with the project? I already have so much work to do. And Mummy is here, isn't she? Mummy is going to help you out.
I had already told you I won't be able to. It was your turn to help with the project. You will only have to do it.
Hey, what's this about the turn? And you are at home, aren't you? Then help Gattu Chinky.
Just because I'm at home doesn't mean I'm free. I have to go to the hospital tomorrow to meet my friend. That is why you will have to help with the project.
Okay, fine. I'll do it. Now can I have dinner?
You are asking me as if you always ask me before doing everything.
Oh, come on. What did I do now, my dear? What's the matter? Gattu softly whispers in Chinky's ear.
Hey, Chinky. This fight is getting worse. Yes, Gattu. I have seen your business trip planning sheet. Next weekend you are going and you didn't even tell me.
Oh, that plan was made only yesterday and I got the sheet yesterday too. I just forgot to tell you.
Yes, telling me wasn't that important, isn't it?
Now it's not like that. You're getting angry for no reason.
Yes, why not? I do everything for no reason.
Saying this, Mummy gets up angrily and goes to wash the dishes. And Papa also gets up and goes to the living room and starts watching TV. Meanwhile, Gattu and Chinky look at their parents and think about their fight.
Hey Chinky, what just happened? Mummy and Papa are fighting with each other. This is not good at all, Gattu. To stop this, we have to do something. But what? Idea! Let's go!
Chinky takes Gattu and goes to her room and takes out a box. The box contained a lot of colors.
So Gattu, do you understand what we have to do? Huh? No, Chinky, I didn't understand. What will we do with these colors? Oh, Gattu, sometimes you say things because of which I can't even believe that you're my brother. Huh? Now you only tell me what we have to do. Listen, the thing is, we have to prepare a surprise gift for both Mummy and Papa. And then secretly we'll put these gifts near both of them. Then Mummy is going to think the gift is from Papa. And Papa will think it is from Mummy. This way their fight will be resolved quickly. Understood? Wow, great idea, Chinky. Let's make them.
Gattu and Chinky get busy making surprise gifts for their parents. In a short while, Gattu and Chinky finish preparing the surprise gifts.
Come on, Chinky. This packet which says from Mummy, let us go and put it on Papa's study table. And I'll put this from Papa Papa gift packet on the dinner table.
Gattu quickly goes and places Papa's gift on his table. Meanwhile, Chinky places Mummy's gift on the dining table. And then both of them go and sit on the sofa.
Papa, can we watch TV now? Yes, Papa. Our favorite show is about to start.
What? Okay, children, here is the remote. By the way, where is your mother?
Mummy is in the kitchen.
Okay. Besides, I don't want to talk to her anyway. Papa gets up angrily and leaves from there.
Now what, Chinky? Both Mummy and Papa's anger will vanish in seconds.
A little later, when Papa sits down at his study table, his eyes fall on the gift. Meanwhile, while cleaning the kitchen, Mummy also notices that something is kept on the dining table. Hey, what's this? A gift?
Huh? It says from Papa.
It says from Mummy. So, this gift? Mummy and Papa both come face to face.
What's this? Did you put this on the dining table?
What? No? And I came to ask you the same thing.
You have the same gift too. So all this
Gattu and Chinky did it.
Chinky did.
Oh no. In our argument, we completely forgot how the children would feel when they will see us fighting.
Yes, you're absolutely right. And we were fighting over such a small thing. Come on, let's see what's inside these gifts.
Mummy and Papa open their gifts together and they are surprised to see what's inside those gifts.
Oh, this is so cute. Kids put so much effort into this. And we were fighting in front of them for no reason.
You are right. I'm sorry. I spoke to you in a rude way too.
No, I am saying sorry too. I also got a little too irritated. Come, let's go and apologize to the kids now.
They both go to Gattu and Chinky.
Mummy, Papa, you two together? That means your fight is resolved?
Yes, children. And all because of you too. And now we promise that we will never fight like this again.
Yes, we won't. And we'll live like a happy family. Then we should all have ice cream for dessert together. What do you think?
Hey, how did the topic of dessert suddenly come up?
Actually, I also wanted to have ice cream today.
Okay, then let's order some right now. And today we'll order Mummy's favorite chocolate ice cream too, right?
Yay! Done!
Then the whole family sits together and enjoys the ice cream.